It's from Heart of Dakota. We just ordered some of our curriculum we need for the year, and we are going to open it up. If you want to see what's inside, keep watching. Okay, let's see what's inside.
Is that a box inside of a box?
Inside of a box.
Ooh, practical. Hold on.
I didn't order that. Oh, that's just an empty. I guess the full space. Alright. Lots of paper.
You got a free box, Mom.
You got a box inside of our box.
Oh, more
Okay.
boxes.
Let's see what we have. Alright, this must be the Emerging Readers Set 2 that we ordered. Yay! It's awesome.
We got books.
Books. We have Saving Sammy, Imagination Station, Bat Cat. Ooh, that looks cute, huh? The Mystery on Main Street. A to Z Mysteries, The Runaway Racehorse. Gem's Wild Winter. This was actually a substitution. And I think we actually already have this. I think I ordered it twice.
We have Black Stallion Mystery,
Whoops,
Mom.
I ordered this twice. And it was a substitution too. Oops, okay, so I will have to do something with that. But Tippy Lemmy, Brave Kids, True Stories from America's Past, Cora Freer, Long Road on a Short Day, Helen Keller, Courage in the Dark, and Buddy, the First Seeing Eye Dog.
Buddy looking a little edgy on the nose there.
Okay, so that is our first little bundle of books. Let's see what's next.
Oh, my God. Why is it wrapped like this? Why can't you just rip it off?
It's safe.
Finally.
Nicely wrapped. All right, so we got our math 4.
That's
for
me?
Levi.
Okay,
And then that one is the teacher book. And we have math 3 for Marcus, teacher book. And let me see this. This is Learn to Read for Kids with Dyslexia. So I think this will be good for my boys. So I got this in volume 2. And here is the first one, volume 1. Learn to Read for Kids with Dyslexia. Yep, and I got 2 sets of them because they're kind of a workbook. So both of my boys are going to get to go through these this coming year. And then we still have some more in here. Is this another empty box?
I think so.
It's like opening a present, Emily. All right, so there is the student book. Math 3 student book. And the Math 4 student book. And there's a little bit more in there. Emily's going to get it for me. All right. Oh, cool. Let me see. Ooh, those are so cool. These probably go with the Trek to the Castle. How cool. Okay, so we got some stickers. And Trek to the Castle. This is the Read to Reach the Top. Okay, so this is as they go through that.
Bigger hearts for his glory.
Hold on. As they go through the Emerging Reader Set 2 that I just showed you, well, we had the add-ons for that set. We have some other books that go with it. They get to read and place stickers as they make their way to the end of the Emerging Reader Set 2, and that's when they reach the top of the castle. That's pretty cool. And then we have our new guidebook, Bigger Hearts for His Glory, that my boys are going to be doing this year. Awesome. So exciting.
Daily schedule.
And then, here's the Emerging Reader Set 1 schedule that my younger son will be doing this year. The Emerging Reader Set 2, my older of my younger 2 boys will be doing this year. And then we have, these are for you, Emily.
What?
Writing and rhetoric. These ones are for you.
I don't want any writing. I don't like writing.
No, they'll be good. Writing and rhetoric, yes. Because we've already got the red
there's
ones.
2 of the castle coin
Yep,
things.
one for each of the boys.
And this one.
This one's for you, Emily.
Ooh, I'll take that.
Paint Like a Poet. This is brand new from Heart of Dakota. That is their painting guide that goes with the Poetry for Creation to Christ. And there's another Trek to the Castle for when my younger son gets to the level 2. I just went ahead and ordered it now. And this is the level 1, or not the level 1, Emerging Reader Set 1. This is the little Sail into the Sunset chart for that one. And my older son is already doing this, but he's not completely finished, so I thought it'd be fun for him to get to do this as well. And then my younger son will be just starting this year. So that's cool. Do these ones come with stickers? I guess maybe not.
They're right on the inside.
Oh, wait, I see them. Here. They're little fishies. That's so cute. Where'd the other one go? There. No? I only have one sticker sheet. Oh, maybe I missed it. Maybe it's in there somewhere still. Okay, and then she's already opening this. Wait a minute. Don't open it now. You don't do it yet.
Just like
But there's still something else in here that goes with that. So
Nope,
open that
not
one up.
empty.
Nope, because you need to open it. This is, if it's what I think it is, it goes with that Paint with the Poets. Let's see what it is. Alright, so here's the painting kit. This is for all the beautiful paintings you're going to be doing. Yep, so let me see what that is. Can I see that?
Oh, I got my own
It
sponge.
is watercolor paint set.
Sponge.
So cool, 35 pack. So there's the paints.
I got a sponge and a brush, Mom.
Yep, the
Red.
sponge and the brush. Here, pull that out. And this must be the paper.
Oh, yes, I got my own
Yep.
paper.
All right. Yep, that'll be fun. Okay, so here is our stack of items that we ordered and that came today. How exciting. I'm really excited for this. This looks like a fun little reading chart. How cool. Awesome. Okay, if you guys want to see inside any of these books, let me know and I'll flip through them. Bye now.